Welcome back. Saras 2010 was opened at Madgaon on Tuesday. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath emphasized on a need of 4 and 6 laning of Goan highways. Jose Philip D'Souza also supported the NH enhancement plans. Jose alleged that some members within his own party were working against the party during municipality elections. Churchill Alimau said parallel Zuari Bridge should be a reality as soon as possible.
आणि म्हणून ज्यांना केंद्र सरकारान आमच्या मागणेक प्रधानमंत्र्यान सांगले की सगळो खर्च केंद्र सरकार करता, गोय राज्याक एक नया पैसो खर्च करपाना आम्ही सांगले करात, जाता तितले बेगीन आमचे 4 लेनिंग 6 लेनिंग करात. चर्चिलान तुमकां सांगले की जेन्ना सुरवातेक 60 मीटर करपाचो आशिल्लो, लोकांची गाराणी आयली, घरां वतात. आम्ही सांगले ना, ज्या जाग्यार घरां चढ आसात ते 35 मीटर करपाचो, ज्या जाग्यार घरां ना ते 45 मीटर करपाचो. इतले सगळे मागण्यो आमच्यो केंद्र सरकारान मान्य केल्यो. आणि म्हणूनच आज कोणी कितें उलयतात हाजेर तुम्ही काळजात हात घालून विचार करपाक जाय. तुमच्या कॉन्शियन्साक विचारा, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करा तुमच्या काळजा भितर. 4 लेन आणि 6 लेन चर्चिल सांगता म्हणून ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करनाकात, हांव सांगता म्हणूनही फॉलो करनाकात, किंवा बाबू सांगता म्हणूनही फॉलो करनाका. तुमच्या काळजात कॉन्शियन्सात हात घालानी विचार करा, रस्तो जाय काय रस्तो नाका.
लोकांक फोटोन हायवे करपाचे ना, लोकांक दोळ्याच्या मुखार हाडून आमी हायवे करतले. आणि करपाक गरज आसा, कित्याक ह्या वर्साक कशें तरी ते ब्रिजीक फाउंडेशन घालपाक जाय. 4 वर्सांच्या भितर ती ब्रिज तयार जावपाक जाय, तेन्नाच आमचो सगळो उखल जातलो. दुसरें
आमच्या वास्को शहरान आमी तर कौन्सिलर तर हाडटाले, आमी एक युती सुबेज आमी घट करताले, पण आमचेच भितरले मनीस उडोवपाक फाटी सरना आले. हेसले जावंक जायना मोगाट बाबू न्हू.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Doordarshan Kendra and All India Radio will not telecast a single program for the next 2 days. National Federation of Doordarshan and Akashvani employees will observe a total work boycott strike from 23rd November to 25th November. They are demanding repealing of Prasar Bharati Act. This is for the first time that production department of Doordarshan and AIR are off air.
Federation strongly demands repealing of Prasar Bharati Act. They say government should run DD and air through Information and Broadcast Ministry.
प्रसार भारती हे गेले 9 ते 10 वर्ष जेव्हापासून त्यांचा आर्थिक कारभार प्रसार भारती बघते, ते आर्थिकदृष्ट्या व्हायबल नाही आहे. ह्या जेवढे कामगार आहेत आमचे किंवा एम्प्लॉईज ऑफिसर्स आहेत, ह्या सर्व लोकांना हे पगार देऊ शकत नाही आहेत. यांचं स्वतःचं उत्पन्नाचं साधन नाही आहे. आणि ज्यावेळा हा ॲक्ट आला त्यावेळा बाहेर कुठलेही चॅनल नव्हते. त्यावेळा हा एक इंडिपेंडंट व्हावे, हे इंडिपेंडंट यांच्या न्यूज बातम्या हे सगळं व्हावं यासाठी हा ॲक्ट आलेला होता. तर गव्हर्नमेंटने हे चॅनल जे आहे प्रसार भारती माध्यमातून काढून पूर्वीप्रमाणेच माहिती आणि प्रसारणच्या अखत्यारीत घेऊन हे परत चालवायला घ्यावं. आणि जो प्रसार भारती ॲक्ट जो आहे तो रिपेल करावा, ह्या मागणीसाठी आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या फेजमध्ये ॲजिटेशन करत आहोत. आणि आज सकाळपासून पूर्ण भारतभरातलं सगळं ट्रान्समिशन आकाशवाणी आणि दूरदर्शन बंद आहे.
Premanand Kadam, the state representative of National Federation of Akashvani and Doordarshan employees, said that around 38,000 employees have boycotted the duties.
मी प्रसार भारती केल्यार कितें जालें की फंक्शनिंग सारकें चलना आणि आमचे लॉंग पेंडिंग डिमांड जे आसात ते कांयच मेट जावना अजून मेरेन. जे वेकंट पोस्ट आसात, ऑलमोस्ट 9,000 वेकंट पोस्ट आसात ते अजून मेरेन तशेंच आसात. प्रत्येक वेळा सरकार म्हणटा आमी ते भरता, ताका लागून कितलीशींच प्रमोशनां हाडून रावला. जाल्यार आमचे तिसरे फेज ऑफ एजिटेशन आसा, म्हणजे फेज ऑफ एजिटेशन त्या प्रमाण म्हणजे सेंट्रल कमिटी डिसेंबरात सेंट्रल कमिटी दिल्लीत आसा, ते निर्णय घेतले आणि त्याच्या उपरांत ते 72 तासाचो स्ट्रायक आसा तो फुडें वता.
Our reporter from Panjim, Devidas Kamli, and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
A youth, Suhas Suresh, was screened at Daboli Airport for possessing a bullet in his wallet. But Suhas claims that he was in Goa for a tour with his friend and he holds the bullet from the past 1 year. Suhas Suresh has been released on bail by JMFC Vasco. A youth aged 25 years was arrested by Vasco police for allegedly possessing a bullet in his wallet. Suhas Suresh, who is a resident of Bangalore, is an engineer by profession. He and another friend had come down to Goa for a tour. They were in Goa for 4 days. Earlier, they had travelled by a passenger bus from Bangalore. But while returning back to Bangalore, they planned to travel by air. But before boarding, They were screened for checking when CISF officials found a bullet in his wallet. It was 7.65 mm live round bullet. Suhas Suresh was interrogated by the CISF officials at the airport and then handed over to Vasco police for further investigation. When we tried to contact Suhas Suresh, he informed that the bullet was owned by his uncle and he had it in his wallet from the past 1 year. We had a telephonic conversation with Vasco PI Prashal Desai and he informed that the investigation is still on.
No, he is saying that he is carrying his uncle's bullet. His uncle is having the license and he was carrying his uncle's bullet. Okay, he is now in police custody. He will be taken on remand.
For how many days?
That depends upon. That will be depend on 2 days or the 3 days.
And what case is registered against him?
Against under section 3 Red with 25 of Arms Act. This is our case and we are investigating. If he is applying for the bail, then he will be released on the bail.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar. News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.